Yo, Grant here with TrunkMate. Today we're inside of a 2015 Toyota Sienna minivan, and we are showcasing the elevation kit. Now, the beauty of car camping inside of a minivan is just the amount of space that you have. You can see I'm 6 feet, I'm sitting straight up in the bed. I have plenty of headroom and plenty of space beside me. The width of this bed here is 48 inches. Now, in terms of length of the bed, this kit here is maxed out at 76 inches or 6 feet 4 inches long. Now, most minivans have 48 inches between the wheel wells. So you're able to get this size configuration if you have the Honda Odyssey, the Toyota Sienna, the Town & Country, and many others. You'll be able to fit this. As well as some of the larger sized SUVs on the market, like the Excursion, and then the Chevy Tahoe, the GMC Yukon. All of those vehicles have also 48 inches between the wheels. Now, if you have that much width in your vehicle, you will be able to fit a full-size mattress. Now, if you do put a full-size mattress in here, there will be about 2 inches of overlap on both sides of your kit where the mattress hangs over the side. That's not an issue at all. Now, worth mentioning, in this Toyota Sienna, we've actually removed the second row bucket seats completely from this vehicle. You still have 6 feet of space behind the second row though, if you want to keep those bucket seats in place. But if you do take those out, you will get extra. All right, now let's take a look at how this thing works. Let's put this mattress out of the way, exposing the bed boards. These bed boards will fold over, and they can even fold over one more time and lay on top of the box. Okay, then you've got these bed rails. These bed rails can telescope in and out all the way back. And all you're left with are these adjustable height bed supports. These things support the end of your bed. You just pull the bed rail out, lift it up slightly, and right into place into these grooves here. Then you can unfold the bed boards and they can take a beating. All right, so we're at the side of the vehicle now, and take a look at all of the storage you get underneath your kit. Because the Sienna has a flat cargo space down here, you just get so much more space than in a traditional SUV. Back here also, you might see this is where you can tie down your kit to the vehicle in the Sienna. There's this anchor point for the back seat right here, and that will keep your kit in place. Here you have the adjustable bed supports, okay? These pins will remove and you can adjust the legs individually up and down. So if your cargo floor is at an angle, you can adjust them accordingly. So here's the side view with the bed fully set up and the driver passenger seat pushed forward in bed mode. And this gives the maximum amount of space back here. You can see when I'm sitting in bed, I can have my feet right here and still have plenty of space to move around in this bed. Well, thanks for coming along and seeing the elevation kit inside of this 2015 Toyota Sienna. We'll see you next time.